Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essential accounts and connections. Sign into the same Apple ID in settings right arrow messages so iMessage can register. Once done, confirm cellular or Wi-Fi is active, then toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to reset radios. Next, force restart the device to clear hung processes that block sending. These steps address most immediate registration and network failures and prepare the phone for the deeper fixes that follow. Now you perform the more detailed repairs. Reset network settings to remove corrupt Wi-Fi profiles or DNS entries that block iMessage. After that, turn off iMessage, wait 30 seconds, sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in and enable iMessage. This forces re-registration with Apple servers. Make sure date and time is set automatically so certificates validate. Also verify SMS fallback by sending a text with green bubble to confirm the care. Finish by installing the latest iOS update. Updates often fix server or authentication bugs. If problems persist, back up and perform a restore via Finder or iTunes to remove systemic software corruption. Test sending to multiple contacts and compare Wi-Fi versus cellular to isolate the path. If you still cannot send messages, collect timestamps and screenshots, then contact Apple support. This troubleshooting tip speeds resolution because they can check server-side registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.